In front of me is Poco C61, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings and hit Apps section. Then go into Default Apps by scrolling down and clicking on this option here. And last but not least, tap on Home app to apply Launcher Pro. Then wait and hit Allow All in the pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my layout was successfully applied. To make some changes, go into Launcher app. To go back to your default launcher, access the same settings and tap on Go Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!